we have been enjoying camping here next to the Baltic Sea. Very beautiful place. You can camp just by the beach, and this place is really popular. We were here on a weekend, so really crowded place. Lot of car camping, lot of tent camping. Latvians like to play loud music. I bet in the weekdays this is more silent and you get more privacy. The beach is super clean. The sand is really fine, really white colored, and the beach just continues forever and ever. It's so amazing to see. So it looks like an ocean. Now it's Sunday, so it's great day for driving, and we did look for the weather forecast, so the weather is going to be a little bit crappier, so we are doing the chasing the sun thing.
There's two ways of driving these washboards. Either 70 km/h when you fly over the washboards, or 15 km/h and just painstakingly just going really slow and yeah, taking a lot of time. This time we are taking the slow route. Oh, this is awful road. There is a lot of comments on Park 49, but the road is awful all around the year.
Yeah. But the place itself is totally worth it. This is a 10-kilometer bad road. So if you lose a hope, don't. You will be pleasantly surprised when you can park your van by the sea.
LPG is filled first time on this trip on a Circle K in Latvia, and it was 71 cents per liter. So I think average price in whole Europe. So in this trip we will be seeing all the prices between 60 cents to 95 cents. Greece is the most expensive one, and I think until Greece we can get a lot of more propane than butane. So this gas here from Latvia will work much better on cold climates, of course, than the gas bought from Greece. The gas bought from Greece will work until it's plus minus 0 at approximately. And on that area, North Macedonia is only country that sells 90% propane, which works in minus temperatures. So let's see how we cope with that, because last time the LPGs stopped working because we were on mountain areas during winter time in Greece, and it was too cold for LPG to work. Butane doesn't gas when it's below 0 or minus 5, but because when you use LPG the bottles will get cold, and that's why they don't work on a minus temperatures.
Eating these spinach pancakes inside of the leftover bananas, and they are really delicious. Snack for a driving day. This is total random place that we ended up after spending a hectic day in the coastline. We are more in the inland now.
Really beautiful place, small town with old mansion, and there are good walking routes and even disc golf route that you can actually go through disc golf. Yeah.
Tuhatvuotisen tammen. We went for a little walk and have been enjoying this day here. Beautiful blue skies and lush green.
Yeah,
contrast.
This is from 1800s. It's a Baron Han and it's hunting grounds. Yeah, driving from Estonia and in Latvia, it's totally different. In Estonia, it's more peaceful. It starts from Latvia and it goes to Greece, and there is a way that you have to actually yield other cars to the right bank of the road, even if the road is not wide enough for 3 cars. There's always 3 cars going either direction.
Yeah.
So you have to have eyes on your back and eyes on your front, looking if people will overtake.
It's a bit scary sometimes.
Yeah, so you just have to be careful because yeah, they will overtake even there is ongoing traffic. But it's easy when you take
Drive like a local.
yeah. First time when you go in this area, it's a little bit bustling, but after that it's quite easy.
Yeah.
But yeah, you have to have eyes on your back also when you're driving here. It's I don't like it because it's really dangerous for example, bicyclers if they want to drive on the other side of the road because people are driving there with their cars. Yeah, but it's been nice. Natural park. You can see there has been a tents around us.
Yeah.
There is markings of tents and there's some pictures of some summer parties in here.
Exactly. And this spot was not the first spot that we took. At first we were back there and I didn't like it. Then we drove our van there where is a grilling place and a little hut, but sun started to shine and it was really hot place. So now we are in the shade. So we have always this like van life shuffle. Especially now we are all alone here. We can just choose wherever we park. So it's sometimes a bit tricky.
But yeah, there's a lot of big trees around us, so it's really easy to find shaded places where you can get your van to the shade.
Amazing.
Yeah, really big and old forest. This is Natura 2000 area, so all nature around us is protected. So it's an old forest.
And we do have a river floating next to us, but the riverbank was kind of slippery and muddy. So Joni took a water from the river and put it in our big basket so we could have like a quick shower next to our van.
It was really great because it's been hot day now.
Yeah, so now we are fresh and we smell so good.
Yeah, and it's strange that there's no people. Well, this is like a crossroads in middle of nowhere, so you have to drive 10 kilometers from the main roads. Maybe because of that this is totally empty. But yeah, we can be here alone. This is our favorite places to be, where we can be all alone in the middle of nature.
Yeah.
And now it's time for food.
Yeah.
Food is the best part of the day.
Yeah, and it seems like we are always eating, but that's something we get excited, and it's like something that really happens, so that's why we film it so often.
Yeah.
And I think it's interesting to see what other people eat, but maybe I'm just weird.
Yeah.
So now you are forced to see that too.
Yeah. So we are eating hamburgers. We have a fire pit over here, so gonna make food there and enjoy.
Lovely day here in a gorgeous, gorgeous Latvia. While Joni is making the fire, I will do some burger prepping. I will be eating my plant-based burger and Joni will have his minced meat. I will put garlic, pepper, salt, barbecue spices, cayenne pepper, paprika, so it will be tasting good.
Yeah, as Peter has said, we are easy to please. Just these kind of sceneries around and we are more than happy.
Happiest little chicken.
Happiest little chickens in town.
Mitäs se muuta maistuu?
Ihan jees. Hyvä makuinen. Just warming up the spa water. We have a spa day, so gonna do my beard. Shara wants to wash her hair, and also I think I need haircut. We collected water from the river again and just gonna boil some water. And you might be wondering why don't we use a shower? It's not working or not? No, it's just we are out of drinking water, or I think 25% it has been like the whole day. So we will be getting more water tomorrow, so no showers today. Just spa.
Yeah, van life is not hard at all.
Yay, it's ready.
Mitä sie haukut? Moi!